What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be making a DIY grow box for our plants that we're going to be planting this season. We're going to do it cheap and easy. Let's go over to the scrap pile. Oh yeah, I think this will do just fine. All right, we got to disassemble this just a little bit. We're using a grinder. Okay. Okay, now that we got our scrap piece of wood pruned up, let's take it in the garage. First thing we're gonna do is screw it all back together and make sure it's all tight and not gonna fall back apart. Okay, now that we got all of this screw back together, let's cut it up. All we gotta do, make a bottom for it, make some legs for it. It's good to go. Put some dirt in it, put our flowers in it, put our corn in there. It looks like we can make something work. Okay, sweet. I'm extremely sweaty now, and now we gotta make legs. So, I gotta find a way to measure something. We're doing 48 inches for the legs, 4 feet tall, and I'll bring it down to like 3 foot something, which will be perfect. Sheesh. These look stupid uneven. Alright, we're just gonna attach the legs straight to the side like that and then put some support, you know. Look at that. See how wobbly it is. It's going in the dirt, so we'll just, you know, pound her down a little bit. She's a little tall, but she's my height. I kind of like that. Okay. Let's get this thing laid over. All right, now I think we're at a good height. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. Sweet. Oh. Well, I guess it's sanded enough. You probably didn't even see any of that. Look at that. Oh no, you did. I just broke the belt. It's sanded. Look at that bird. Oh man. Oh yeah. Something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's pretty good. Gate will still be able to open. It'll just weed eat right underneath it. Plenty of sun. Afternoon, a lot of sun. Morning, little sun. So all we gotta do now is plant these little guys. Okay, mowed a little bit of the grass. Still very wet, but we can still plant some. All right, I'm using some of this dirt, which is from the field out there, because it's very clay, like has a lot of clay in it. So we're gonna use this for the base material. Now we're gonna add some, this is frass, or worm poop basically. It's probably way too much, but. Now we got some potting mix that I just spilled everywhere, but that's okay. Okay, and I am gonna start, we're doing corn first in this first little section. As you can see, this corn is ready to go, all the roots. So, we are indeed just gonna be placing her right there in the corner. Look at that root. Yeah, she is ready to be transferred over. All right, that's all the sweet corn that I have pre-grown already. And yeah, these are probably a little too close to each other, but they'll be okay. And I got more corn for the rest of the space. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. This was building a garden out of scrap parts from a scrap pile. Nothing important, just all wood laying around from nothing. So yeah, thanks for watching. It was pretty fun building this little garden. Hopefully I'll have some corn and some other stuff. It's very hot out here.